Welcome back to my channel. I'm Wandering Nancy and I do hotel reviews all around the world. I give the most authentic feedback based on my own stay experience. In today's video, I'm going to have a hotel review on St. Regis, Kuala Lumpur. Before we get started, just heads up, in the following weeks I'm going to have hotel reviews on Holiday Inn Express, Kuala Lumpur, Holiday Inn Bandai Junction, Ibis Darling Harbour and Intercontinental Athens. If you are interested in any of those hotels, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Now, let's get started. Evacuation time. So our room number is 1001, which is this one. It's a suite. We like 1006, 1015 and 1009 are all suites. On this side we've got a small toilet, which is quite simple. And this is a marble bench, a hand towel over there and a soap bar here. Yep, quite simple. We've got such a large living area and a walk-in station over there. I will start from the walk-in station. We got a very spacious cabinets here. We got a lovely leather box here, and let me quickly open it. So in this one we got a St. Regis Kuala Lumpur noting pads. It's empty over there. And here is the St. Regis photography in Kuala Lumpur. And this is a Japanese restaurant Taka. And this is a children's menu. It's very colorful. And here we got a leather chair, another noting pad in a lovely decoration box here. Then here is the information about private dining menu. You just simply need to scan this QR code to get the menu. So those are two COVID essential bags, basically just a face mask and a sanitizer inside it. So the control panel is very clear. So it has master, relax, curtain, night, bright and shares. So if I press the curtain, we've got this a large round dining table and 4 chairs here on this side. In this minibar over the top, we got 2 coffee mugs, a coffee machine, a kettle, and 2 bottles of water. And in the first door, we've got a tray. And a second door, we got some card trays and plates here. And down here is the mini fridge. We got a different kind of drinks and some alcohols on this side. Then on this side, we got some snacks. This one, we got 2 coffee capsules. This is the first time I have seen this brand. It's called Honey and Sons. And here we've got some sugars and equals inside it. Down the bottom, we've got some glasses and one next to it. Lovely table here, and it's empty, nothing inside it. And a beautiful lime here. Next to this one, we got such a large, comfy sofa. I feel like if we got more person, we can change it to a bed as well because it's so big. And 2 far over there, a very large marble table here and our welcome gift. And this is a welcome note from the team, the handwritten note. And in this lovely box, we got this remote control and all those channel informations on this note. So on that side, we got this large Panasonic TV and 2 cabinets next to it. Got a panel here for USB, AUD-PC and HDMI here. I really want to show you guys this large dressing room. We've got a very long pillow over there and some clothes hangers and a bathrobe here. Down here we got a clothes racks and a rack for the luggage. 2 pairs of slippers down on the floor. Marble bench and this lovely mirror for making up. And this is a chair, very comfy one, very soft. And on this side we got a charging socket. Then we got 3 doors here. Just let me quickly open it. So all those drawers are empty, and down here in those drawers we've got some laundry informations over there. We've got our bedroom here. It's a king size bed, very comfy, and 2 reading lamp over the top. On each of the side we've got a large lamp as well. Again, we've got a charging socket here. Then very clear control panel and a pen and a noting pad here. So in the first drawer we got those pillow selection menu. So the other side we've got the same control panel and a charging socket over there. Got a small round table and a chair here with a beautiful lamp next to it. Again, we've got another Panasonic TV over here and some drawers inside it. I love this design, even though there's nothing inside it. Another surprise, I never seen this before. There is a spa room just on my left side. So it's a spa therapy bed. And here we got some cabinet for storage as well. And this is a spa menu. I really want to try the hot stone therapy. So it's 430 Malaysia dollars. And we got such a big bathtub here with such a nice view. We got a little screen on that side. And here we've got a rain shower head and a separate shower head. A lot of towels on this side. The switch is here. Just let me click blank down. A box of toilet paper, a bottle of water, a glass here. So same thing on the other side, but we've got a soap bar here. 2 hand towels on the top, and down here we've got more toiletries here. Let's come into this room. It's a separate toilet. It's a Japanese Toto brand toilet. So it's all those functions for this toilet. morning everyone, it's time for me to summarize my feelings for staying with the Regis Kuala Lumpur. There's no lowlights this time for staying with the Regis Kuala Lumpur. It was such an amazing experience. Regis never fail. I've stayed with 3 Regis so far: Regis Beijing, Regis New York, and Regis Kuala Lumpur. They were all amazing. The service is impeccable. The room is so spacious. Essentially, the hotel is just located in the Kuala Lumpur Central. It is so convenient, and the breakfast was so good. It offers like both Asian style and Western style breakfast. If you visit to Kuala Lumpur and want to treat yourself, please Regis. I am so satisfied with this stay. Talking about membership benefits, as a Marriott Titanium, we've got a very early check-in at 11 a.m. in the morning. The room was ready at this time, and we've received 1,000 welcome points, and we've used our Suite Night award, so that's why our room has been upgraded to such a fancy suite. It's about 138 square meters, so big, so spacious. And also because we've booked this hotel through FHR program, so we've received other benefits as well, so it's kind of like double benefit. If you have already checked my other FHR hotel review, you may already know like there are several benefits while booking a hotel through FHR program, such as early check-in, late check-out, room upgrade, and $100 credit. Complimentary breakfast, we've received and 2 complimentary breakfasts, and the breakfast was really good. For $100 credit, it was amazing. It was a surprise because we redeemed it with a 3-course dinner, complimentary 3-course dinner. It was so good. So for this one, you can either choose a complimentary lunch or complimentary dinner with the restaurant. We didn't expect it to be such a good dining experience. Other than these 3 complimentary course dinner, we've also received 2 additional complimentary side dishes. It was so good. Strongly recommend. It was a lovely stay. I really love Regis. I already wanted to come back and stay with them again, and I wish I could stay longer. Alrighty, in my next video, I'm going to have a hotel review on Holiday Express Kuala Lumpur. I'm so curious what kind of experience I will receive in Holiday Express Kuala Lumpur, because I had such an impeccable experience here. We will see, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!